What if the smallest action camera got even smarter, sharper, and more powerful? Meet the Insta360 GO Ultra, the pocket-sized beast bringing 4K magic to creators everywhere. The GO Ultra keeps the same pocketable form factor but now with a stylish rounded square design. Weighing just 53 grams, it's lighter than most smartwatches, and ready to go anywhere. And thanks to magnetic mounting, you can wear it, clip it, or stick it. Creativity has no limits. But size isn't everything. Inside, a large 1.28-inch sensor and powerful 5nm AI chip deliver crisp 4K 60 frames per second video, stunning HDR and buttery smooth flow state stabilization. No gimbals required. Low light, no problem. Insta360's pure video mode brings out every detail even after dark. And with AI-powered editing, your clips are ready for social media in seconds. No complicated software needed. Worried about battery life? The GO Ultra runs up to 70 minutes on its own, and up to 200 minutes with the Action Pod. Plus, with microSD support up to 2 terabytes, you can capture all day without running out of space. Starting at $449, the Insta360 GO Ultra is designed for creators, travelers, and adventurers who want pro-level quality in a tiny package. Tiny, powerful, and packed with features, the Insta360 GO Ultra might just be the best portable action camera yet. What do you think? Would you pick this over a GoPro or DJI? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and share it with your fellow creators. And of course, subscribe for more camera reviews and tech updates.